How to change your billing address on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll show you how you can change your billing or delivery address on Amazon. So make sure to watch this video till the end. First, just make sure to update the Amazon Shopping app. Once you've updated the Amazon Shopping app, just go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is just tap on the little profile button from the bottom of the screen. Once you come to the profile page over here, you will see all these type of various options, and at the very top you have four options. Here you have to select the one that says your account. Once you go to your account, here we have to scroll down a little to the bottom, and somewhere on between the lines you'll find the option that says your addresses. So in my case it's under the account settings. Look for it, it's called your addresses. Just tap on it. Once you tap on your addresses, here you can see my current delivery or billing address. So if I want to add a new billing address, I have to just enter the button that says add a new address at the top. Once I do that, just go ahead and enter the name, your phone number, your new address that you want to enter over here, and once you enter your new address, just tap on the add address button at the bottom of the screen. If you want to delete this address, you can tap on the remove button, but keep in mind that in order to remove this address, you also make sure to update another address as well. And that's all it takes to change your billing address on Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.